Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to sign in to your Gumroad dashboard on desktop. Following these steps will help you access your account safely to manage products, sales, and settings. Step 1. Go to the Gumroad login page. Open your browser and visit gumroad.com/sign in. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Enter your email address. Type the email associated with your Gumroad account and click Continue. Step 3. Enter your password. Type your account password carefully. If you forgot it, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it. Step 4. Complete two-factor authentication if enabled. If two-factor is enabled, enter the verification code sent to your Authenticator app or email to confirm your identity. Step 5. Access your dashboard. Once logged in, you can access your Gumroad dashboard to manage products, sales, analytics, and account settings. For more helpful Gumroad tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.